Hello everyone, this is me Rides. I am one of the student from Federation University IIBIT Sydney campus. I am doing Master of Technology Software Engineering, and today I am going to make a video for my final year project whose title is Mr. AutoParts Pty Ltd. And the final year project is under the subject code of iTech 7415 Master Project. We are a group of two, myself Rides and my team member she is Mobina. So we two works together to complete this project, and our stakeholders are Mr. Ahmed sir, who is our lecturer and tutor, and our Adnan sir, who is our client, and Godly, he is our supervisor. So now let's begin with the overview of the project. So what it is, and what the main requirements, and what is the main theme of the project. So the project is basically a web portal. So it is an e-commerce web portal. The main aim of the project is to design and develop a web portal for Mr. AutoParts Pty Ltd. The Mr. AutoParts Pty Ltd is a company which is based in 23 Broxbourne Street, Westmead in NSW, Australia. And the main agenda of this website is to provide customer with the facility to do online shopping for different auto parts they need. So mostly the website is designed for the auto parts of trucks and SUVs, and mainly the main auto parts is the air suspension for the trucks and SUVs. As we know that in this 23rd century, like, nobody wants to go and visit the warehouse or the automotive garage to buy the bulky and heavy auto parts. So they want the desired auto parts to be delivered in their home or in their location by just in their fingertip. So the main objective of the website is to provide the online shopping for the auto parts, where the customer can view the specification of the products and the price of the products, and if they are interested with the products they can just click on buy now, and it will be added to their cart, and they can proceed with the payment option of cash on delivery, or by they can also pay by their mastercards. The website has been completed in three sprint. The sprint 1, sprint 2, and sprint 3. So in the sprint 1 we had mostly done the user interface part, so that is the front end part. So and in the sprint 2 we basically deals with the admin login and registration portal, and the stops that admin can do. Similarly, in the sprint 3 we had added another entity who is salesperson or sales manager. So we had created the dashboard for the salesperson as well. The front end has been designed in HTML, CSS, and we have also used the React.js and Bootstraps, and also some features of the Ajax has been implemented. And the editor is Visual Studio Code, or VS Code we simply say. And for the coding part we have used Laravel, which is the framework of the PHP. And for the backend we have used the server called Jam, which is a free and open source server, which has been designed by the Apache HTTP. Basically, Laravel is a PHP framework which is based on the model view controller. So due to this feature we have got lots of advantage by using this, such as we got authentication and validations for our registration and login credentials in an appropriate way. In the website design, for the smooth running of the website, and in order to purchase the items from the website, the customer or the user who wants to do the shopping in our website, they should register first. So while registering they need to provide their basic details, including their correct emails and phone number and their locations, and they can set their password, and also they can confirm their password. So when the customer do the registration, and when they wants to log in for the first time, then they will get the email notification. It is for the security purpose. So when the customer verify the email from their mailbox, then they can successfully log in into the website, and the account will be created for them in the website. So whenever they purchase the items, so their history will be saved in the cart, and it will be easy for them to know in the future that what sort of items they had bought from our website. Similarly, we had also implemented the feature of the location and map. So the map has been in the 3D satellite view as well, and also we have written the privacy policy of the company, so that the customer can get the clear view about what the company is and how their data is being managed. And also we have written the about us section, where we have given the brief informations about the company, when it was established and what sort of thing it is doing, and what is the main goal of the company. The user who are not our registered customer, or simply the guest user, they can simply browse the website, because for browsing they need not do the registration, and it is not compulsory to do registration for browsing. But whenever they find any product that they need to buy, or they are interested to buy the products from our website, and if they are guest user, they are not allowed to buy. And to buy the products, they have to do the registration and log in with their credentials, and only they can place the order. When the customer place order, then their order will be kept in the cart. So the whenever they add more product, then the cart number increases, and whenever they want to decrease the product from the cart, then the cart number is decreased automatically. And when they check out, then they will get the option to pay. So the payment can be done on the two modes. One can be done on cash on delivery, and another option can be done by the mastercard. So when they wants to pay it online, then they click the mastercard options, and there they can put on their data or details of their cards, and they can proceed with the payment. Now let's have a brief talk about the admin portal. So before, we had discussed about the user interface, so what the customer or the user will see in our website. So while moving to the admin portal, the admin also will be having the login credentials. So when the admin login with the login credentials, then they will have a dashboard. So in their dashboard, they will have different features, such as adding and deleting the products, managing the orders, and managing the location and address of the company. That means the admin can dynamically change the location and the phone number of the company whenever they want. Similarly, the admin also got the option to manage the order. When the customer place the order, so it is received by the admin in the form of processing, and when the admin processed the order to the delivery phase, then in between the delivery and processing, there is a shipping status. So and when the product is delivered to the customer, then the status of the order changed into delivered. The admin also can add, delete, and edit the product. So in adding of the product, firstly the customer add the category of the product. For example, in the category of accessories, the admin can add the products such as light or cables of the trucks and SUVs. Third entity in the website is the store manager. So the store manager also can view the details and the specification of the product, how many product has been ordered by which users, and in that way the store manager can find out the requirements of the inventory, whether the product needs to be added, or whether the product needs to be shipped or delivered. So in this way, the store manager manage the inventory. So overall, we have got lots of feedbacks and suggestions from our clients, supervisor, and our lecturers and tutors as well. So we have tried implementing all those features into our website from our point of view, and some of the features are still pending, such as the invoicing, automatic invoice, like sending to the customer after the payment is done. So that is still pending. If we have got time, we could have implemented that. The next feature is of like disabling the users who is the admin or store person. So whenever the admin or user who is in the uh, position of store manager leaves the job or resigns the job, then at that time we have to disable the accounts but not completely delete the account. So that feature is still pending. Overall, the main agenda of the Mr. AutoParts Pty Ltd is to like deliver the product which is auto parts to the customers in their fingertip, and we have developed the website and handed to the client. Thank you so much for watching me, and this is the project reflection of our major final year project, Mr. AutoParts Pty Ltd. Have a good one. Bye bye. Take care.